and welcome back to What Adrianne Thinks. It's me, Adrianne, today. Seriously? Continue. If you get off of it! She's not into luxury, but I am, and let me tell you how. Today we're going to make roasted chicken, and when I tell you it's not like any normal roasted chicken, this is the best roast chicken you will ever have. Foolproof, okay? Foolproof. I gave her the recipe. I'm going to let her cook it, but it all comes from me. Inside of this, tons of herbs, spices, a little bit of oil, butter. It's going to be unctuous. Unctuous? Okay.
I seriously cannot. Let's get right into this week's video, but first, if you missed my last video from my beef stew, child, you know what to do. Watch this one, then go back and check it out. Because this week, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious roast chicken. That crispy skin, it's moist, it's so delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get to this countdown. And welcome back to What Adrianne Thinks. It's me, Adrianne. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious roast chicken. It is so good, guys, and it's just in time for the fall season. One you're going to want to make for your family and friends. And you know, I'm not going to hold you. It's been a while since we've been together, right? It's been about a month since I posted a new video. But guess what? I'm back in full effect, and I'm going to show you how to make this chicken. So, you know what I'm about to do. Let's point you down.
And this chicken is spatchcocked. Now, don't you get confused. Spatchcock means split open, not run through. See you, girl. See you later, girl. Bye.
Okay, guys, so what I have here are 2 whole chickens. And what I did, I cut the backbone out. I used a sharp knife, but if you have kitchen shears, you can use those and just cut the backbone out. Use that backbone to make stock or make gravy. So that's actually what I'm doing. I have it on my stove with the giblets that came from the chicken and just simmering on low with some seasoning and herbs. And I'm going to make my gravy from that stock. So cut that backbone out. You're going to let your chicken sit out for at least 45 minutes right from the fridge because you want it to not be cold. You want it to be close to room temperature. That's going to ensure that the chicken's going to cook nice and crisp and it won't be all dry from going from cold and getting shocked going into a hot oven. Okay, so first I'm going to start with a lemon. So I have a whole lemon here. And we're just going to squeeze that lemon. I'm gonna use my hand here. I don't know where my citrus press is, but my juicer. But I'm just going to use these tools that God gave me. And we're just going to get that juice out of that lemon. Okay. Just using some light olive oil there. I should have had that open. And I'm just going to pour a generous coating all over the parts of the chicken. Okay. I'm going to season with a little crushed garlic. And about a tablespoon of the crushed garlic. Put it right on. And now we want to start seasoning. So we have a couple of things that I'm going to use today. And I'm going to start with some no salt seasoning. So I'm using Mrs. Dash today. And just want to sprinkle that. Inga's in the background, y'all. Inga, you want to say hey?
Hey, everybody. How are you?
Going in with a little BADIA complete seasoning. These are some of my staples that I use throughout my cooking. Don't worry about the underside because I'm seasoning a little heavier because once I start to rub our seasonings in, I'm going to do the same to our back. So all is coated throughout. Okay, I just have a little paprika. Going in with another salt-free fave. That's my garlic herb seasoning. So I have a little thyme here. These are just thyme leaves. If you have fresh, you can use fresh. But I don't mind the dry. You just have to keep in mind that dry herbs tend to pack a punch. So you just want to go a little easy. Okay, here I have one right here. As you can tell, I keep a lot of onion powder on hand. It's my favorite. Y'all know that by now. Okay, going in with a little salt-free Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasoning. Now guys, I'm going in with some SAZON. I'm going to use 2 satchels of that. That's the SAZON. I like the one with the achote in it. Give you that nice color. So how have you guys been doing? I've been away for a little bit. A lot of life happening, but I'm so glad to be filming these videos. They keep me sane. So glad to be back in this kitchen. All right, so that's our SAZON that's going down. Ground black pepper. Let's give a nice sprinkling of black pepper to this. Okay, so I'm gonna start rubbing. Start with this one. And just start rubbing. Get under the underside, get under that skin. Grab that seasoning. Get under those wings. Just really get it nice and mixed up. And like I said, go under the undercarriage. Grab some of that seasoning. And just keep rubbing. Get under that skin, y'all. You want to be able to taste all your flavors. All right. So that looks amazing. So I've chopped up some onions and some peppers. And I'm just going to just spread them around our pan. I'm going to finally chop up some parsley in a minute. And I'm just putting a little olive oil on our onions and peppers. And I'm going to add some seasoning to it. I could have did this with the chicken, but it's just what I'm used to doing. It's how it works for me. That's just a little garlic herb. Using a little Miss Original, Mrs. Dash. It's in the refrigerator. Okay. And a little bit of the Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasoning. That way, everything has some flavor. Make sure you check out some of my videos. I have a Coca-Cola glazed ham that is amazing. That's to die for. So make sure you check that out. I also have recipes for macaroni and cheese, collard greens, cabbage, you name it, I got it. Check it out, plus more to come. So thanks, and hand me that parsley. I'm just going to do a real rough chop on this parsley here. How pretty. Thanksgiving, for one, is probably a time that I love because it just reminds me so much of how my family would gather for the holidays. And it's just a good time. You know, anytime you can be with your family and friends, you know, take those opportunities and be with family. So just putting a little parsley right on top. Once it's done, we'll probably go in with a little more. I'm not a big fan of cilantro, so you'll see me use parsley a lot. It's just my thing. I love to use it. Okay, so this is our chicken, guys. This is going in an oven at 385 degrees, and I will let you know exactly how long it took to cook. Going in the oven, uncovered, just like this. See you in a few. Guys, I hope I'm not getting too much shadow. Our chicken is done. The skin is nice and crispy. So good. You know what's next. The taste. So I just wanted to mention that if the chicken breasts or the wings are browning and the other parts of your meat are not done yet, just take a little piece of foil just to lightly tint over the breasts and the wings so that they stay nice and juicy. Sweating. Ooh, it's hot in here, guys. All right. Let me just get a fork. Oh my goodness. I don't even know which piece to try. So I'm gonna go for my favorite, which is the wing. Guys. Do you hear that crunch? Look at that. So good. It almost looks like rotisserie chicken. So I'm trying to get the bone out so I can just gobble it up. All right. So so good. So stinking good. Guys, look at the skin. Look at that skin, guys. Listen, if you're not a subscriber, what you waiting on, child? Go on and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Tell your auntie, your friends, your uncle and them. Tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrianne thinks. This is a must try. Any meal, Sunday meal, just because it's fall, try it. So good. All right, get to the rest. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Roasted chicken